Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Aziz Quran Academy. This is our channel Aziz Quran Academy. If you want to admission with Aziz Quran Academy, so fill this form. You enter your name here, your email here, your subject Nazira, Hifaz, Tafsir, etc. Enter your message and send. So our team will contact you as soon possible. So this is our website Aziz Quran Academy. So in first lesson, before this we uh, read about 4 lessons. In first lesson we study about the alphabetics, how to pronounce the letters. After first lesson we learn about second lesson, joint letters, how to join the letters to each other. In third lesson we study about the letters of muqatti'at, and in lesson number 4 we study about the movements, harakat. What is movements? Zabar, zair, pesh is called movements. Now we start the next lesson, tanween. Two zabar, two zair and two pesh, this is called tanween. Two zabar, two zair, two pesh is called tanween. Okay. Two zabar come on the top. Two zabar come on the top, same like zabar. Two zair come on in bottom, same like zair. And two pesh come on the top like pesh. Two zabar, I repeat again, two zabar, two zair, two pesh are called tanween. Any letter, mim, ba, fa, zal, za, any letters with a tanween. Tanween, you know tanween? Two zabar, two zair, two pesh, called munawwan. Munawwan. In really, tanween is noon sakin. In really, in the written form, its tanween is noon sakin. Matlab, it's mean meem two zabar man, yani meem zabar or meem noon zabar man. It's called noon sakin, which appear at the end of the word. Is meem man. You you thought there the man in the last is noon sakin. It's for the reason that tanween sound is noon sakin. Spell out the example of tanween as follow: Meem two zabar man, Meem two zair min, Meem two pesh mun. This is with spelling. Now without spell, man, min, mun. Sometime after two zabar the letters alif come or zal or ya come. So its mean is written when spelling out. You don't read alif. Without alif you read meme. You don't read alif there. Just is in written form is written alif, but in reading form we don't read alif. Just meme to zabar man. One thing remember there, in tanween the sound goes in nose, so that's why we do one there little bit for 1 second or 1.5 second. Okay. one thing remember, when on the ra come on the top of the ra come to zabar, we read bold. With zer we read light. With pesh we also read bold. When two zabar come on the top of alif, it's called hamza. We don't read alif. Okay. Now we start how to pronounce the tanween, the munawwan, how to pronounce the munawwan letters, how to pronounce the munawwan letters. Some qaris said you read do on some qaris, but the sound goes with themselves, goes in nose, so do on when the sound don't goes in nose, you don't do on. Okay, so how to now we start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ميم تو زبر من، ميم تو زير من، ميم تو پیش من، من من. با تو زبر بن، با تو زیر بن، با تو پیش بن، بن بن بن. واو تو زبر ون، واو تو زیر ون، واو تو پیش ون، ون ون ون. فا تو زبر فن، فا تو زیر فن، فا تو پیش فن، فن فن فن. سا تو زبر سن، سا تو زیر سن، سا تو پیش سن، سن سن سن. زال تو زبر زن، زال تو زیر زن، زال تو پیش زن، زن زن زن. زوا تو زبر زن، زوا تو زیر زن، زوا تو پیش زن، زن زن زن. زا تو زبر زن، زا تو زیر زن، زا تو پیش زن، زن زن زن. Next. سين تو زبر سن، سين تو زیر سن، سين تو پیش سن، سن سن سن. صاد تو زبر صن، صاد تو زیر صن، صاد تو پیش صن، صن صن صن. تا تو زبر تن، تا تو زیر تن، تا تو پیش تن، تن تن تن. دال تو زبر دن، دال تو زیر دن، دال تو پیش دن، دن دن دن. طا تو زبر طن، طا تو زیر طن، طا تو پیش طن، طن طن طن. را تو زبر رن، را to زر را to پیش رن 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 نون to زبر نون to زیر نون to پیش نن نن لام to زبر لام to زیر لام to پیش لن ضاد to زبر ضاد to زیر ضاد to پیش ضن یا to زبر یا to زیر یا to پیش ین شین to زبر شین to زیر شین to پیش شن جیم to زبر جیم to زیر جیم to پیش جن کاف to زبر کاف to زیر کاف to پیش کن قاف to زبر قاف to زیر قاف to پیش قن خا to زبر خا to زیر خا to پیش خن غین to زبر غین to زیر غین to پیش غن حا to زبر حا to زیر حا to پیش حن عين to زبر عين to زیر عين to پیش عن ها to زبر ها to زیر ها to پیش هن همزة to زبر همزة to زیر همزة to پیش ان. So you will practice on this lesson about Tanveen. After this we exercise of two zabar and the Tanveen and the moments. So stay with us and subscribe our channel Aziz Quran Academy and share this link to our friends. This is the easiest way of learning of Nurani Qaida. You in easy steps you read the Qaida. This is the simple and the easiest way of learning of Nurani Qaida. So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.